Do you have to have home insurance when renting in Ardmore, Oklahoma? In today's insecure and unpredictable climate, increasingly larger numbers of people are considering closing insurance policies for their real estate properties and assets in order to protect their value in the event of a harmful accident. On the actual premises, the closing of solid insurance policy deals is regarded as a crucial step in protecting real estate investments. By closing an efficient insurance policy with a reputed insurer, one can rest assured that one's property is covered against a variety of unfortunate events such as fire, lightning, explosion, earthquake, flood, smoke, theft, attempted theft, and so on. At present, it is advisable to close a property insurance policy for each property you own. The necessity of closing an efficient insurance policy for your properties is even more pronounced when your properties are located abroad. For the fact that overseas properties are more exposed to damage and deterioration as well as acts of theft and vandalism, experts recommend owners of such properties to close adequate insurance deals as soon as possible. However, take note that the process of finding the right property insurance company and closing the right insurance deal abroad is challenging and time-consuming. Even if you manage to find a reliable and competitive insurer abroad, the closing of a property insurance policy with a foreign insurance company can be complicated, requiring you to obtain and translate a variety of specific documents. Apart from the language barrier, another disadvantage of signing property insurance deals with foreign insurers is that most insurance companies abroad pay claims in the local currency. In order to effectively overcome the impediments characteristic to closing overseas insurance policies, you should hire the services of a popular, respectable UK insurance company specialized in delivering quality overseas insurance services. If you own a holiday home in France, Spain, or other European countries and want to close the right overseas insurance property deal in less time and with less effort, then all you have to do is hire an experienced UK insurer specialized in overseas property insurance, and rest assured that your needs and requirements will be handled with professionalism. The UK property insurance business has made significant progress over the last few decades, and nowadays there are many reliable and competitive insurance companies out there providing dedicated services to both physical and juridical persons in search of a suitable property insurance policy. The remarkable evolution of the property insurance market has determined most insurance companies to develop better, more comprehensive insurance offers in exchange for more affordable fees. Consequently, today's insurance offer is extensive and is addressed to a large segment of clients. By hiring the right UK insurer, you can nowadays enter in possession of efficient, comprehensive property insurance policies for low rates and with little effort. With the help of a dedicated UK insurer, your holiday home in Spain, France, Italy, or other European countries will be comprehensively covered, and you will be provided with quality and convenient services.